Hello everyone. So today we will be doing if else statement, and this will be second part of the if else statement. So I hope the first part is clear. If you haven't watched the first part, then do watch it. It is in the link is given in the description. So let's start. First of all, let's do something which I forgot to mention in the previous video. So let's start. Let's say we want to take a name from the user. So we say name equals float input, enter your name. I'm sorry, I've written float here. That's str. So str stands for string. If we want to take any particular message or a word from user, then we have to type str. Then we are required to type str. It stands for string. And for any type of operation on any type of message and names and anything, except numbers and decimal numbers, then we are required to type string. I hope it is clear. Now jumping to our if statement. If let's say name equals let's say Jennifer, print hello Jennifer, and else print let's say access denied. So this is the code, and the only difference is that I have written string here since it is a name, and so I have written it in inverted commas to apply the statement. The condition needs to be in inverted commas since it is a message. I have told you previously. If you are not aware about this, then do watch the previous videos. And let's run this code. Just a minute. So I will be entering my name. Uh, since it is Jennifer in the code, so it is showing me hello Jennifer. And what if I type another name like John? So it is showing me access denied. One more thing that we need to notice here is, like, if we type Jennifer with J capital, so it will show me an error since the J is capital here, and here I have written small j, so it will show me access denied. And later on we will see how to encounter this problem. There is a solution for this problem and we will do it later on. So I hope this is clear. Now we will do a bit of complex type of coding regarding if else. So let's say there is an exam going on and we need to take subject marks from the teachers, and then we need to calculate the percentage, and we will apply if else statement also. So first of all, let me write the code. I will explain you simultaneously. Let's M1 stands for marks 1, marks of subject 1. So I will take float since marks can be in decimal places also. Float input subject 1, and then I will copy this. I will paste it. One more. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five. So five subjects are okay, and I will do here five, four, three, and two. And here also subject number two, three, four, five. So from these above line of code, I will be taking number from the user. Let's first of all run this much only. Let's say out of 100, in subject 1 there are 95 marks, in subject 2 85 marks, subject 3 94, and 90, and then let's say 89. So this is taking input from the user, and now we will sum all these marks. Let's say x is equal to m1 plus, so m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5. Why it is showing me can't assign to operator? Just a minute. Oh, I'm sorry. It's really sorry. Here it is plus. Okay, so I just forgot it. Now, so in this command, I have calculated the sum, that is m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 and m5. So it will show me the sum. So let's print the sum first of all. Print sum sum equals. We separate the output, uh, the variable and the string and the message through commas, like I have done here. I have put a comma and I will type here x, so it will display me the sum of all the numbers. So once again I will type 87, 98, 99, 87 again and 86. So it is showing me the sum. Now let's calculate the percentage. I am assigning percentage with PER. PER equals that is x upon that is 500 and multiply by 100. So this will calculate the percentage, and here I will display my percentage also. Print percentage equals, and here comma and per, and then I will put just a minute. So I will be doing PER, and then again I will put my message and will type a percentage. So what this will do is, let me put comma, and what this will do is it will show percentage is equal to the percentage which is calculated here, and the percentage sign it will display in front of the output. And then we will apply a statement. If PER is greater than equal to 90, that is 90 percentage, then we will print x excellent, and then elif PER is greater than equal to 80, print very good. Then elif, if you are not able to understand it what I am typing elif and all, then do watch my if else statement previous video. I will put the link in the description box. And then elif PER is greater than equal to, let's say, 70, then print good, and then directly we will go to 50 percentage. Elif PER is, now this time we will be doing, okay, good, first of all greater than equal to 50, print fair, and now elif PER is uh, greater than equal to, this time we will do less than equal to 50%, or directly we can write else, since only that much part is left, that is below 50 percentage, so we will be writing else here. Else print you need to work hard. So this is for 90, and this is for 80, this is for 70, and this is for uh, marks greater than 50, and this is for marks less than 50, I mean the percentage. And now we will, let's first of all run the code. Subject 1, 99, 89, 98, 88, 87, and percentage is 92.2%, and it is showing me excellent. Now let's say if marks are 50, 60, 76, 66, 55, then it will show me fair. You can see that here. And then if like marks are 34, 22, 23, 20, 32, 22, 21, then the percentage is 26.400002 and whatever it is, and then it is showing me you need to work hard. So I hope by this code you will be clear about the if else statement, and you can create your own programs like for anything. You can take example from this one. You can get, there are numerous type there can be numerous other programs regarding if else. And so if you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe.